In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect N8N to Airtable. It's very simple and straightforward, just pay close attention to ensure you get every step correct. So let's get right into it. First of all, we need to go inside of our N8N here. You can create a new workflow and just go ahead and add a step or add a node. And we're going to use the Airtable built-in integration. So first of all, you can go ahead and see what action you want to do. So you can use triggers or you can use actions. So a trigger is when something happens inside of Airtable, it will trigger an event, or you can do an action. So, like create a record or something. So let's just do this one here, create a record. And it's going to give you this node here. So first of all, what we need to do is go ahead and add our Airtable credentials. And this is very simple to do. Click on create new credential. And you've got two ways of doing it. You can do access token or OAuth2. I'm just going to go ahead and do access token because it's a little bit easier. So now what you want to do is you want to go onto Airtable, make sure you're logged into the right account, and then go over to the right hand side and go down to where it says build a hub. Now in here, you're going to go ahead and you've got your OAuth there, and you've also got your personal access token. And we're going to go ahead and click the create token bit. And so we just want to go ahead and create a token. I'm going to call this one N8N. And then we have to go ahead and add some scopes. So these are the scopes we need to go ahead and add. So just copy that. Add scope. This is one. So data records read. We need data records write. Data record read. Oh, I've done it again. Data records write. And then finally, schema bases read. This one here. Now you can add as many different scopes as you want, and this is basically what the API will have access to do on Airtable. Also here you can go ahead and select what access it has access to, so what it has access to from the API. So you can select workspaces, etc. And then we can go ahead and click create token. And so once you do that, it should generate you a token, and you want to go ahead and copy that, and we'll use that inside of N8N. Now make sure you don't share this with anyone, as this information is is sensitive. So go ahead and paste it into N8N just like I've done, and then you can go ahead and press save. It will verify it to make sure it's worked, and it says connection testing successfully, and that means that Airtable is connected up here. So now we can go ahead and we can select different things we want to do. So we've got base, record. We have the operation, so we can create or update, delete, get, search, update, and you can select which base you do it from. So we've got this normal one here. You can select the table. I don't know if I've got any set up in this one. If not, you can do it by URL and by ID for both of them. So you can just pick. Let's just do projects, and then you've got the different mapping columns. So if you've got some data that's come in on the input into here, you can go ahead and click and dynamically pull it across. So if I just quickly do this for you. So what I've done here is I've just got a set node, and the set node has essentially gone ahead and just set 3 different variables. And what I can do is I can, for example, this is the A variable. I can go ahead and drag this in. So let's say the project name is this. For the B variable, I can put this as the description. And then for the C one here, I can put as like the task or something like that. And then I can go ahead and execute the step, and it should, if you've got the right kind of data, so this needs to be an array. If you've got the right stuff in here, it should go ahead and send it to Airtable. And you can see here, it's now gone ahead and it's created this table here. So the project name is chicken, the description is ham, and obviously we could fill in all this data accordingly. But it's really simple as that to go ahead and connect up Airtable to N8N. You found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe. Go down below and join our school community. We have a ton of resources and information about how to create AI agents, AI workflows, and just AI in general, things like N8N. It's a really good value community, so go ahead and join that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.